to put in the tail now.
Get in. Tasha, meh! Meh! Mum, shh. Meh! Meh, Tash. Oh, don't make me sound like a gimp now, love. Meh! Meh! Meh!